Hey guys, this is Gurpal here. I'm going to change the handle because it is got bent from here. If I move the handle, you can see there is very less gap between the tank. I have bought this handle. So first we will remove the bar ends using the 5mm Allen key. Remove the screws and remove the cap of the throttle body. Remove the cable. Remove the screws of the switch. And pull the grip out using the help of someone. Just loose this bolt, don't remove it. Remove the cable from the end. Remove these bolts as well. Pull it aside and then remove the screws of the right hand switch. Remove the handle bolts using 10mm spanner. Remove them all. Remove these bolts and pull that aside. Now pick the handle and then pull it out from the clutch side. Clean this up. I'm applying some grease and then install it on the new handle. Install the handle holders. Just tight them slightly, do not over tight it. Install the brick. See that mark given up. Install the switch. Longer screw will be on the up, smaller will be on the bottom. There is a mark given here on the handle. Align with this mark if you want the standard height of the brake lever. Install the switch. Longer screw will be on the left side. There is a mark given here as well. Align with this mark and tighten the bolt. Align this mark given here with this surface and then tighten the bolts. I am cleaning this using diesel. Apply some grease, then slide in the grip. Install the bar end. Apply some grease here as well. Clean the throttle. Apply grease. Install it. Plug in the cables, the caps, screws, the bar end, and you are done. Thanks for watching guys.